Cerdd Iaith is it's a project to enable primary schools throughout Wales to explore language. At the centre of it all are songs, but there's so much more than songs because the songs link into very strong cultural themes. Often there'll be movement that will go with it, just to bring that music alive. So they're working on so many different levels.
We've been learning Vasila Sheza, which is a song about fish and chips. We've done A Tale of Everyday Gods, which is a song about days of the week and gods. And we've done Hello Shemai, which is actually quite easy to pick up on.
I want to thank our wonderful schools and teachers for the welcome and for being with us today. I honestly believe Cerdd Iaith has the potential to flourish and grow, particularly now with the new curriculum for Wales.
It's been a real joy today to see the children clearly enjoying themselves, and I hope to think that those patterns that are grammatically speaking really quite complex, that they have consolidated themselves in their minds, patterns that will be difficult to learn as teenagers and adults.
Once I first heard it, I was instantly like me and my friends were like just amazed on how good it was.